Alright guys, what's up and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm making smash burgers on the grill with some charcoal. If you like charcoal flavor on your burgers, this is going to be the video that you're going to want to check out. So basically with smash burgers, everybody loves them nowadays. It's pretty much the only way I usually do burgers now because it's super fast, super easy, and they can always come out pretty great. So usually what you would see is some kind of flat top griddle, like plancha type surface, where you smash them down for like 10 seconds and you flip them over one time and they're going to be done. But with this, I'm going to smash them down ahead of time, throw them on the grates, and then you're not going to get that same browning effect that you usually get, but you're going to get some grill marks on there. It's going to taste like some good charcoal goodness. It's going to be great. So check it out, guys. Here we go. All right, so real fast, tools you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of patty wax paper like I got right here. You could use any kind of parchment paper or saran wrap or whatever you want to use, but I would highly suggest this because you got to smash it down ahead of time and you don't want it to stick to anything, so these are perfect to use. I know a lot of people out there don't like using this stuff when they make regular smash burgers, but it always works out really good. So I'll leave links down below if you want to check it out from Amazon. I've literally had these for years. I made a ton of burgers and I still got this pack right here. So it's kind of, it's not expensive and it's worth it in my opinion. Also, get yourself a tortilla press if you don't already have one. This thing right here, I'm gonna make small little balls, throw them in the middle, smash it down. They're gonna be paper thin and I'm gonna throw them on the grill. And if you don't have this, just use like a pot or any kind of pan, heavy pan, and just smash it down like that. Got some ground beef. I'm gonna make some little meatballs. I'm gonna go a little smaller than usual because when you smash them down on this thing, they're gonna kind of spread out a lot. So I'm probably going like, I don't know, 2.5 ounces. I'm using quite a bit of charcoal just so, because I want the grill to be super hot. And it's just me eating these two little burgers right here. So, I mean, yeah, it is a waste of charcoal, but usually, if you're making burgers for a lot of people, it doesn't even matter. So, it's gonna be okay. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. Got your tortilla press, little wax paper down, got your meatball right there. Gotta place that paper on top, smash it down. And you're gonna see the meat start to squeeze out the side. So what I'm gonna do is just flip it around the other way. And just smash it down. There you go. Got a big old thin ass patty. Then when the grill's super hot, I'm just gonna place it on top and you're gonna get a good sear on it, hopefully. All right, so obviously you could load up these burgers with like 5 pounds of bacon. You could throw like onions, whatever the hell you like to throw on there. I'm keeping it super simple like I always like to do it. I'm gonna char up a jalapeno and chop it up, throw it on there. I got the good old fake ass American cheese. And I'm not even making my own guac today. I got some store-bought guacamole that I'm gonna throw on there. And it's gonna taste great. You're also gonna wanna use some kind of spatula like this. It's super thin, got a tapered edge to it, so when you scoop it up, nothing's gonna stick to the grill, hopefully. Yeah, so don't use no silicone spatula that's a little thick. That's probably not gonna work, so get something like that. All right, I'm just gonna start off by charring this little guy up right here. By the time that gets a little soft and good, I'm gonna throw the burgers on. A couple minutes, 2-3 minutes, burgers are gonna be done. Just do it like a regular smash burger, and that's pretty much gonna be it. These are gonna go super fast. Salt and pepper one side. We're just gonna let these go till they start to brown around the edges a little bit. Then I'm gonna flip them. gonna chop this up real quick. Got that jalapeno on there. All right, so there it is, guys. Some goodness in a bun. You get that charcoal flavor in there. So it's a new and a great way to make smash burgers. Give it a try. I'm not saying it's the best way to do it. It's just something a little bit different. I haven't seen any other videos out there on this. Maybe there are. I just really haven't even checked, but tastes good to me. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share the content. If you think this was a cool video, share it, or any videos that I do. But peace out. Thank you. And yes, that was a huge waste of charcoal, but it's okay.